Good morning, Balers, and welcome back to another Baler Bulletin. I'm Jake Fulmer. Nelson Mandela was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary and political leader who was imprisoned from 1964 to 1982 and later served as the first president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the country's first black head of state and the first elected in a fully representative democratic election. He quoted, "I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear." Students, the Bump Fest applications are out. The Google Form application was emailed to all students and can also be found on the school website under Student Activities and ASB. So if you have the best sound system, the best dirtiest, the best truck, the best classic, and more, please get your application in. The Bump Fest is Friday, April 22nd. Prom tickets are for sale in the Student Payment Center. Tickets are $60 per person. The prom is at Gilroy Gardens this Saturday from 7 through 11 p.m., and the theme is Enchanted Garden. Don't wait until the last minute. The last day the Student Payment Center will be accepting personal checks is May 6. Starting May 6, cash or credit card only. Do you need a laugh? Let our comedy sports team entertain you. It's competitive improvisation Friday, May 6th at 7 o'clock. Mark your calendars. There has been increasing graffiti across the campus, and this is not okay. Graffiti is considered vandalism, and those found guilty will be held accountable and could be facing school fines and further discipline. Vandalism, such as clogging toilets and breaking dispensers, has been an issue too. If you see or suspect something, report it immediately. Don't be late. You have 10 minutes to get to class and after the second bell rings. You will be marked tardy. As a reminder, tardies can lead to loss of privileges such as loss of lunch break, after school activities, and even prom. The weather keeps changing, but not the dress codes. Please be advised that those found violating the dress code will be sent to the office, asked to change, and or call home. All teachers and staff will be addressing students. Here's a reminder of what is not allowed. Saging pants, clothing advertising, drugs, alcohol, or anything gang-related. Short tops that show any part of the torso, shorts, skirts, dresses, and hats and beanies are not to be worn indoors. And that's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching, and until next time, go Balers!